Welcome to USA Professional English Training Academy. Do you know your colors in English? Put your skills to the test with this quick and fun multiple choice quiz. See if you can get a perfect score and challenge your friends. Take the quiz now and level up your English vocabulary. Can you answer all the questions correctly? 25 questions. Watch the video until the end and answer each question. Count your correct answers as you watch the video. You will see your grade at the end of the video. Make sure to say the correct answer out loud to get more English speaking practice. Ready? What color is the picture? A. Green. B. Red. C. Blue. D. Yellow. B. Red. A. Purple. B. Orange. C. Brown. D. White. D. White. A. Pink. B. Black. C. Gray. D. Blue. D. Blue. A. Yellow. B. Green. C. Red. D. Orange. B. Green. A. Brown. B. Purple. C. White. D. Black. D. Black. A. Gray. B. Blue. C. Orange. D. Red. C. Orange. A. White. B. Yellow. C. Green. D. Purple. D. Purple. A. Red. B. Brown. C. Pink. D. Blue. B. Brown. A. Orange. B. Black. C. Yellow. D. Gray. C. Yellow. A. Blue. B. Green. C. Red. D. White. D. White. A. Black. B. Purple. C. Brown. D. Pink. D. Pink. A. Yellow. B. Gray. C. Orange. D. Red. B. Gray. A. Green. B. Blue. C. White. D. Brown. A. Green. A. Purple. B. Red. C. Black. D. Yellow. B. Red. A. Orange. B. Pink. C. Blue. D. Gray. A. Orange. A. Brown. B. White. C. Purple. D. Green. C. Purple. A. Red. B. Black. C. Yellow. D. Blue. B. Black. A. Gray. B. Orange. C. Pink. D. White. A. Gray. A. Blue. B. Brown. C. Green. D. Red. B. Brown. A. Yellow. B. Purple. C. White. D. Black. A. Yellow. A. Pink. B. Green. C. Orange. D. Blue. D. Blue. A. White. B. Red. C. Gray. D. Brown. C. Gray. A. Black. B. Yellow. C. Purple. D. Green. D. Green. A. Orange. B. Blue. C. Red. D. Pink. C. Red. A. Brown. B. White. C. Black. D. Yellow. A. Brown. Now let's see your grade. If you scored 25 answers correct, that's a grade of A+. Perfect score. Fantastic. Move on to the next video. If you scored 23 to 24 answers correct, that's a grade of A. Almost perfect. Excellent. Try watching the video one more time to get a perfect score. If you scored 20 to 22 answers correct, that's a grade of B. Good work. Keep practicing. Go over the video again to improve your English skills. If you scored 18 to 19 answers correct, that's a grade of C. Nice effort. Keep practicing. Review the video again to keep improving your English skills. If you scored 15 to 17 answers correct, that's a grade of D. Keep trying. Watch the video again to improve your grade. If you scored 14 or below answers correct, try again. Watch the video again to improve your grade. Write your grade in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get new videos every week.